Yan, welcome ulit dito sa surveying class natin. So ngayon sa video na to, magbibigay tayo ng napakasimpleng sample problem ng basic math for surveying. So it's application lang nung na-discuss natin last time na basic properties of a triangle. No? So siguro sa iba medyo walang challenge na sample problem to, pero anyway, i-discuss pa rin natin. No? So madali lang to again. No? So ito yung sample problem. Tract of land has the shape of a right triangle. So ito yun, no? Oops. Hindi pala yung natin. So it's a right triangle, tapos with road frontage along the longer side or the hypotenuse. The other two sides are measured to be 75.55 and 95.25 meters. So what is the length of the road frontage for that tract of land? Okay, so idodrawing natin yung natin. So right triangle daw, di ba? So ganito yan. So right triangle, tapos yun, dagdagan lang natin dito. Okay, so sabi sa sample problem, yung road daw nasa side ng hypotenuse. Ibig sabihin dito meron tayong daan, no? So ito yung daan. Yan. So ito yung daan. This one is the road. Tapos ito yung land natin, okay? So ito ay measured as 75.55 meters. Ito naman measured as 95.25 meters. Ngayon ang tanong ay what is the length of the road frontage for that tract of land? So, ibig sabihin, ito yun, no? Ito yung hinihingi na length. Okay, so madali lang, no? Applying the Pythagorean theorem. So, Pythagorean theorem that c squared is equivalent to a squared plus b squared. And then, so dito sa figure natin, ito yung c, this one is a, this one is b. So, yung hinanap natin dito is yung c, okay? So, c is just equivalent to the square root of 75.55 squared plus 95.25 squared. So, madali lang, no? So, c is just equivalent to square root of 75.55 squared plus 95.25 squared, which is equivalent to 1 meters. So, yun lang, no? Madali lang. So, kailangan lang i-visualize yung sample problem, tapos lagyan ng drawing. Tapos yun, makukuha na, no? So, it's just an application of Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals a squared plus b squared, tapos hahanapin natin c, so square, okay? So, sabi ko kanina, medyo walang challenge na sample problem para sa iba, na siguro, or para sa lahat siguro, no? Anyway, yun na para sa video na to. Magbibigay pa tayo ng mga additional sample problems sa mga future uploads natin sa surveying and other subjects, okay? So, thank you again for watching and see you next time sa future uploads natin. Thank you!